And then Joseph's dad and his brothers and all their families moved to Egypt. Gift finished the amazing story excitedly. "Where did you learn that?" Joshua asked. He had never heard the story of Joseph and his brothers before. "It's in the Bible," Gift replied with a grin. "And if you come with me to the Adventist Youth Society programs, you can learn these stories too." Gift lived on the campus of Babcock University, not far from Joshua's hometown in Nigeria. Joshua was amazed at how many Bible stories Gift knew, and he wanted to learn them too. "We're having VBS in a few days," Gift said. "That's Vacation Bible School. They're going to teach us even more stories there. Do you want to come?" Joshua had been playing football with some of the kids at a Sunday exercise program, and he really liked it. They started each game with prayer and a story from the Bible, and the kids were nice to each other on the field. Since Joshua already knew some of them, he didn't feel shy about going to these VBS meetings with his new friends. He prayed about it and felt impressed to go. Gift was right. Joshua not only heard incredible stories from the Bible, but he also learned beautiful songs about God, did fun crafts, and made more great friends. Best of all, Joshua learned that Jesus loves him. At the end of VBS, Joshua decided he wanted to become a Seventh-day Adventist Christian. He was baptized 1 year ago. Now he wants to share his faith with his friends, just like Gift did for him. Joshua wants people to know about the Sabbath and that Jesus is coming back soon. So he invited his cousin Quayam and his friend Favor to VBS this year, and they came to every meeting. They enjoyed the Bible stories, crafts, and sports that make them healthy. They didn't know much about Jesus before, but now they know he loves and cares for them. Quayam isn't a Christian, but his parents support him going to church with Joshua. Most of Joshua's other friends are mean to him because he became a Seventh-day Adventist, and that really hurts. They don't want to talk about Jesus, so Joshua tries to share his faith through his character and how he acts, like always being cheerful. Joshua is very glad that his parents support him. His mother told him he could join the church, and she was happy he did. Some of the kids he's shared his faith with are thinking about coming to church. This makes Joshua very excited. Many of the young people in his town have been impacted by the Adventist Youth Ministry at Babcock University. There are many kids who don't go to church, and the programs have helped them in a lot of ways. They've made a real difference in Joshua's life, and now he wants to help his neighbors too, especially the older ones. He likes to carry their bags for them, greet them kindly, and show them respect, just like Jesus would. VBS changed his life. Joshua felt so happy when he learned Jesus loves him. Before, he kept hard things to himself and tried to be strong enough on his own. But now that Joshua knows Jesus cares for him, he's let go of those things and trusts Jesus to help him be strong. Jesus set him free.